Quick review of the 42.5 inch ABBREE 144222435 tactical antenna for the Bofang. Going to be using this on my bike. Folds out. Price isn't too bad. This is the Amazon price when I paid for it. 17 quid, which I thought was quite a good deal for it, really, to be honest. Going to mount it on my motorbike and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I've mounted it on my bike. One of my second loves. Folded it out. It's mounted on my BMW R1200GS. Just on this plate here. Just bought that on eBay as well. Not eBay, sorry, Amazon and the aerial at the same time. It's quite a nice mounting that matches the contour of the actual grab rail. I've set up the Siglent. Let's just take some of the reflection off there. Set up the Siglent with the reflection bridge. And this is my result. So marker 1 is at well, it's at 142 there. I need to extend the span on that. I'm not really interested in that point though. More interested in the FM band, as it's just going to be used with the Bofang. So marker 2 we've got set at 145,500 and we're showing an SWR of 1.4. Marker 3 is set at the calling channel 145,500 and we've got a 1.4, well 1.5 we'll say, and I've set marker 4 all the way up to about 147 and it's showing an SWR of around about 1.6, so I think that's fine for that. So on 2 meters that's set up. Excuse the mess of the garage, but it's raining outside, I can't bother to do it outside. Seems to be working okay, so now I'll try the 70 sems. Okay, set it up now for 70 sems. The SWR at the calling frequency of 433,500 is about 1.8 we'll say. The band's not too bad to be honest, it'd be ideal for the Bofang, no problem at all. It's all below 2, so no problem at all with there. I think the lowest frequency is 430 I've gone down to, and 435. Generally I only go 25 either side of the calling channel, so that seems to work okay. So yeah, I'm quite impressed with that. Let's have a quick overview of the setup with the Siglent and the reflection bridge and the appropriate software for it for doing reflection measurements. It seems to work quite well. Mounts to the bike, no problem. I wouldn't ride around with it on there. I'll just put it so it can be unscrewed. But the antenna does actually fold, and it's got a nice piece of Velcro, so folded down you're only looking about that height sort of thing. So I'll zoom out a little bit for you. Sorry about the mess in there, but it is what it is. You probably could ride around with that on there, wouldn't bother you too much, but I'll just put it in my jacket or whatever and just get it out when I get there, and leave the permanent mount fixed and just throw the Bofang or the 705 into it. Now I know the SWR's fine on it. I'll give that a try.